Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this die cutting essentials magazine. I received this one I think last week or maybe a bit longer because I was doing that Paper Craft Society advent calendar. I didn't have a chance to show you this magazine. I've got a subscription for this only because I was thinking to do another subscription, but for now I'm only having this die cutting essentials. So this issue is issue 111 and it comes with this beautiful free gift, which let me show. It's by Hunky Dory Moonstone 2-piece die set. These are beautiful snowdrops. So we've got this square frame and you've got those snowdrops as well, which I already cut out just to show you how they look. Let me just show you on a white card. So I cut this one out. It's from a gold pearlescent card and I'm going to use it on my project, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And we also have those stamps and they say, thinking of you, happy birthday, our special day, hello with love. And as always, they included 3 printable papers and toppers. So we've got those sentiments, we've got wreaths, and we've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pattern papers. So I print off some of them. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use some of those toppers, so they look like this. Beautiful colors, really nice spring colors, and I really love this green pattern paper, and I'm sure I'm going to use that one with that gold one, I think. And I'm thinking about doing paper piecing as well. I was thinking to use this dusty pink one together with the green. So we'll see if I'm going to use it. And I print off another 2. So I love that pattern paper as well with those green leaves. And my printer started to play a little bit and it print off a 3/4 of this paper with that lilac color with those white hearts. But I will keep it. I love all those papers and it was really hard to decide which ones to print, and I only print whenever I want to use something, so that's why I didn't print all of them. So this is the free gift and some printable papers and toppers. Let me go through this magazine a little bit to show you some of the inspirations. So we've got, I wanted to show you those 2 pages. These are project designed by Nick. So she designed those inspirations, and of course they are step by step as well. And then we've got some other inspirations, and I really want to find yes, and this is another page where they show how you could use that free gift. What was I'm just thinking which one, and I really want you to see. That's another page with that free gift. This one was designed by Sarah, and she used those printable papers as well. And here, and in next issue we're going to have those. So we're going to have those nesting florals mix and match die set. So that's the die set over here. You can see those beautiful papers, some sentiments I can see as well, and I think we're going to have that frame. I love that frame and that foliage as well. This one says, such a small writing, but I think maybe it's a stamp as well. Just trying to see. Or maybe it's something, yeah, no, that's the downloadable topper which you can get. So that's coming next month in issue 112. So let me prepare all the elements I need for my project, and I will be back with very short, quick and easy tutorial for you. So I've got some elements cut on the side, and I've got those 3 pieces of card which will create my base for my project. And I'm going to do this hexagonal pop-up card, which probably you've seen me doing a few times on my channel. I love this style, so I'm going to do it again. So the long strip measures 11 by 2 inches, and we need to score it at 3 inches, 5.5, which is the middle, and 8 inches. And we just need to fold it. So we're going to have that pop-up element in the center of our card, and then we need 2 pieces of card measuring 3 inches by 6.5, and this one we're going to score at 2, 4, and 6 inch. That's the tab for gluing those 2 pieces, and the second one the same, 2, 4, and 6. So now it's time to burnish everything, and we can put this base together, and we're going to decorate those, and then I'm going to do some paper piecing. I really want to add a bit of white into those snowdrops. I think they will look really pretty, and I'm still thinking, shall I use plain white card or maybe glitter white? I think that glitter white would give even nicer effect, so I'm going to put this one. I need some glue. Liquid glue is fine. If you want, you can use double-sided tape. It's all up to you. I like glue because that's how I work. So you put it together, and then you can fold this flat, burnish a little bit more, apply your glue, and then it's nice to actually fold it flat, because this card it's a pop-up card, but you can fold it flat and you can send it in a flat envelope. Oh. So you fold it, press it, and you've got that hexagon base. Now with this longest strip we need to hold it together. Here at the top we've got the opening at the bottom, and we're going to apply glue on both sides, and then we're going to just put it inside of our hexagon and pinch it, and then you lay it flat again and just make sure that the glue sets nicely. And that's our base. Very quick, isn't it? And now I decided to use those mats. The mats measures 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. So let me add here those. I was thinking to do mats and layers, but I think that should be fine. And for the topper, which will go here, will be adhered to that section. I'm going to use that green and that again that light pink, dusty pink color. I love those 2 colors together, and I think they will look really pretty. But as I said, if you want, you can create mats and layers, which will look really nice as well. So you just decrease by 1/4 inch, so it will be another layer will be 2.5 by 1.5. And now what I was thinking to do the topper, which measures the first layer, the white card measures 4 3/4 square, then the second one will be 4.5 inches square. Then I've got the green, which is 4 1/4, and my flowers, my snowdrops measuring 4 inches. So if I put them like so, I'm just trying to see if I need to add that green. I just didn't want to add that green, and I think that will be fine without another layer of the green. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put those layers together, and then I'm going to use that cutting die, and I think I'm still thinking white or glitter white. I think I might go for glitter white, just to give those snowdrops a bit of sparkle. I think they will look really super cute. So That's another layer. And then I will have to slow down a little bit and add here this one, which I'm going to do off camera, and then I'm going to bring back those paper piecing elements to do that. So I die cut those snowdrops, and I'm going to show you how I do paper piecing. So basically I am applying the glue in the space, and then I need a pokey tool, and I overlay that slightly and just push it through, and then I just maneuver that piece into place with my pokey tool. So what I'm going to do, that's how it's going to look like. What I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up this video so you can see, but it's not going to be way too long for you. So this is how those paper piece flowers looks like, and I hope you like it as well. I'm really pleased that I actually picked the glitter card because I think it looks really nice. So it's time to adhere it to the front of my card. So we only putting the glue in this place, and then I'm going to line it up, and it's helpful if you turn it over so you can see exactly if it's in the center. So I like it the way it looks so far, and I actually stamped the sentiment happy birthday from that free gift, and I decided to actually mat it on the same dusty pink card. So I'm going to put it to the side just to show off those flowers a little bit, and I added some foam pads under that sentiment. So let me adhere it. So I'm going to do it like so. I think that's fine because I really want to show off those flowers, and it's quite simple card, but I was thinking maybe I could add a bit more sparkle. Let's see, I think I like those transparent ones, and I use them quite often, so I hope you will like it as well. So let me remove a few of them, and I'm going to put one here and one here. So when the card will be flat, it will be visible as well, and when you stand it up, you will see that as well. So I need just one more here, and it's a very quick and simple card. A long time it took me actually to do the paper piecing, but if you like doing that, it shouldn't be a problem. So this is my finished card. It's a hexagonal pop-up card with this beautiful gift from Die Cutting Essentials issue 111. I'm going to link that magazine below the video so you can check it out, and I'm going to link the downloadable papers and toppers as well so you can see if you like them. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.